Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to access Internet Archive to see any website history. So what you'll have to do is simply open a browser. For me, as an example here, I'm using a Brave browser. For you, you can use this wherever you want. And you can go to the URL section. And from here, you can go and type archive.org/web. Just go and hit that or hit the enter button, and you will find yourself on this website. This website is called the Wayback machine. So here you basically have a search box, and in this search box you can just type or paste the full website URL, like youtube.com, facebook.com. Just press enter and you will be able to search. So just go and look for facebook.com. It's preferably to use the full URL, which is to add HTTPS example, etc. But it's not necessary. So just go and hit this enter button. As you can see, you'll find here all the years. So let me just go example to 29 or 2009, and I'm going to this exact date. So we have a lot of snapshots. So I'm going to this exact snapshots as an example, just random snapshots here. So the website is a little bit slow because it has a lot of data. So just bear with it. And as you can see, you'll be able to see how does Facebook looks at that exact time. At 2009, the third month, and at 6th example, 6th of March. You can choose for you any year and date, and you will see a timeline with years at the top. And once you click on the year, you will see a snapshot at a lot of years. So as an example here, let me just go and choose like maybe this year. Let's just see snapshot at this year as an example. So let me just go back and do it from the start. So yeah, Facebook again, and let's just do like 2016. I'm just going again to March 2nd, and I'm going to this snapshot. Why not? As you can see, there is a lot of snapshots at that time. So basically, this is how you can access Internet Archive, and you'll be able to see any website history, not just Facebook. I just use Facebook here as an example. For you, you can use other like websites that you want to search. So as you can see, this was at 2016 at 2nd March. As you said, you can look for YouTube, you can look for any website that you want, and just feel free to use this however you want, and you'll be able to see all the archive internet websites. So that should be it for me in this video. No account will be required for this tool. So thank you for watching and goodbye.